How to delete Safari search history on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Safari browser on your Mac and further tap on the history option from the menu bar on top of your screen. You will then see the clear history option on the bottom of your screen. Tap on that. Now, in the pop-up that appears, select the time frame from when you want to delete your history and tap on the clear drop-down and select if you want to delete your history from last hour or today and yesterday or all history. Once selected, tap on the clear history button and with this your Safari history from that particular time frame will be deleted. So this is how you can delete Safari search history on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.